What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man. We are back with a video, and today I'm making it be known that this is my last sneaker pickup from StockX. I'm not bashing them or anything like that. This is my last time picking something up from StockX. I promise you guys hold me to my word. No more sneakers for me from StockX. For me from now on, I'm sticking strictly with GOAT. GOAT has never let your boy down, so that's why I've been copping a couple of sneakers that you guys will see some unboxings very soon on, man. So you guys are about to see my last sneaker pickup from StockX, man. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Got some early reviews coming, got some unboxings, like I said, from GOAT very soon. So have that notification bell on right now so you guys get notified when those videos drop. And head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. Be linked down below in the description box. And please, right now, man, smash the like button. That really helps the channel grow, man. So please smash the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, we can actually get straight into this video. Let's get it. All right, guys, before we get into the unboxing portion from StockX, I want to let you guys know about a very dope brand called Wall Kicks. I know a couple of you guys probably heard about them, seen them on IG floating around here and there. Wall Kicks has been up and running for a couple of years now, I do believe so. And they have pretty much every single sneaker that you probably took a L on in the last couple of years on their site, man. So instead of actually spending $12, $15, $2,000 on a pair of sneakers, Wall Kicks has the prints, the decals, and they even have tables and stuff like that they can customize strictly for you to throw in your sneaker room and wherever you want those Wall Kicks to be at, man. The brand is pretty simple. Wall Kicks, you throw whatever sneaker that you like, you know what I'm saying, one of those grill sneakers, and you throw it on the wall. So right now I have the Travis Scott ones right here, as you guys can see. Check it out. They have these on their site. You guys know that the Travis Scott ones are going for like $15,000, $2,000 in the size 9. So like, man, instead of me, I'm saying, dropping that money on a shoe that I probably won't wear. And Wall Kicks has a very dope website, man. Whenever you go and see one of the prints, one of the decals you like, they allow you to open your camera up and show you how it's gonna look on your wall, man. So I'm putting a little screenshot of me putting it up right here. The only thing you need to hold these guys up is some Velcro strips, man. So it's very simple, no holes, no nails, none of that good stuff. All you simply need is some Velcro and you can have your sneaker room looking a-okay, man. You feel me? So instead of spending $2,000, instead of spending $1,000 on a pair of shoes, go spend about 15, 20 bucks on some Wall Kicks. You can look at this sneaker just like you would look at the sneaker if you spent that much money on an actual pair of those sneakers, and you can throw it on the wall, man. Very dope brand, Wall Kicks. Go check them out. They will be linked down below. So I have the Travis Scott ones right here, as you guys can see. Very dope. I like this one right here. And they also sent over the bread ones. You guys know this is my ultimate grill right here. So we have the bread ones and we also have the fragment ones right here. Check it out. You see the fragment symbol right here on the back of the heel. And like I said, you got the breads, man. So I got the frags, I got the breads, and I have the Travis Scott ones. I will throw them all up on the wall. It's gonna look very dope. So let's go ahead and do that. You guys are gonna see the new background once the Wall Kicks are thrown up on the wall. So as you guys can see, man, we have the bread ones up, we have the frags up, and we have the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott's, man. Some of my favorite sneakers, some of the sneakers I still do not have in the collection, you know, as an actual shoe. So like, man, let me go ahead and pick out some of the sneakers that are really my grills and throw them up on the wall, man, so I can come in my sneaker room, come in the man cave, and check them out whenever I want, man. They also included a couple of small stickers. So we have the Travis Scott 6 sticker right here. We have another bread 1 sticker right here. Check it out. And then we have like a Air Jordan 1 Laker colorway right here. So I'm gonna throw these, you know what I'm saying, probably on the laptop, or maybe even throw these on the wall as well, man. Who knows? But man, make sure you go check out Wall Kicks official right now. I will link their Instagram down below and their website. Very reasonable prices. Instead of spending $1,000, $2,000 on one of these grills behind me, I went ahead and got some Wall Kicks and threw it in the sneaker room so I can check out my grills every single day. So you do the same thing, man. So let's get into my last unboxing from StockX, man. Let's get straight into it. I'm sorry I held you guys up. Like I said, man, please go check out Wall Kicks. Let me grab my knife real quick. Get the box cutter open. I gotta get a new one. This thing is almost broke, actually. Let's go ahead and get this open real quick. Like, But like I said, make sure you go check out Wall Kicks Official, man. Very, very dope shop. You guys know I'm always recommending some dope brands to you guys. And Wall Kicks is one of my favorite up-and-coming businesses, man. So make sure you go check them out. Everything is linked down below. Let's get into my last sneaker pickup from StockX. You guys gotta hold me accountable. Everything is coming from GoDap from now on, man. So here we have it. You get some bubble wrap right here, man. Let's get this out the way. Got some more bubble wrap. All right, now let's get into it. You guys see the white box. They're probably like, what did he buy? What did he buy? And I told you guys a couple of weeks ago that right now it's the Dunk wave and it's the Air Jordan 1 wave. And I feel like it's always revolving around one other sneaker, and it is the Air Force One. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. It says Air Force One on the box. Probably too bright, but we're gonna pull it out. Air Force One 07 Quick Strike. These retail for $130, size 8.5. Always go down a half a size in my Air Force Ones. And yeah, I hope you guys know that I love Air Force Ones. Just picked up the Air Force One Dior inspired joints right here. Very, very clean. I love the sneaker. We got the Los Primeros Air Force Ones as well. Check them out, check them out. We have some Yeezy inspired, you know what I'm saying, Air Force Ones is what I released back in 2013. And I have some AF ones as well. I got cobwebs and stuff on them joints. I haven't rocked these in a long time, but I got these for like 40 bucks at the Nike outlet, man. So here you have it. Let's get into my newest Air Force One in the collection, baby. So we already read the physical colorway, and let's pull it out, come on. And of course, I think this is stuck in there, but it's a StockX sticker. It's a card in here as well. I think it's stuck inside of the box. Let's go ahead and pull these joints out. You guys already seen them. Let's pull them out, check them out, check them out. City of, what is this called? The City of something pack. Very, very fire sneakers. My last pickup from StockX. I really love these joints. I was browsing through StockX and I was like, man, what can I cop, man? I got some spending money. And let me go ahead and hop on this Air Force One wave before it actually gets started. Inside the box, you get another little Supreme card right here. Check it out. Throw it out the way, but I'm looking for my receipt to see what this shoe is called. I honestly forgot. This is a Nike Air Force One Low City of Dreams, man. I got these joints for under 100 bucks. For me, it's not about the price. It's about buying what you like. And me, I love Air Force Ones. I'm trying to get my Air Force One collection up there. I'm missing a couple, of course, like the all-white pair. I beat that pair up. Don't even want to show you guys that pair. There's a couple other ones I really want to go and get. But I'm starting it up now. You guys see me, man. Try to get those Travis Scott Air Force Ones as well, man. He dropped like 3-4 different pair of Air Force Ones. So I'm gonna try to at least cop one of them joints, you feel me? Get a little bit hyped inside the collection. Check them out, check them out. You guys let me know how you feel about these down below in the comment section. I know it's a couple people out there that really do not like Air Force Ones, but just like it was with the Dunks, nobody really was feeling them. Offset, the Migos was copping a whole bunch of them joints with sneaker shopping with Complex, and next thing you know, we start seeing crazy hype behind the SBs, the Dunks in general, man. So get on the Air Force One trend right now before one of your favorite artists or any huge influence out there in the world today, and they pull out a pair of Air Force Ones and everybody's gonna go crazy. Just know it was Air Jordan 1s, then it was SB Dunks, and now it's gonna go back to the Air Force Ones. You guys let me know what you think will be trending next as far as silhouette, as far as sneakers, down below in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about my last sneaker purchase from StockX. I need you guys to hold me accountable. I will not be purchasing any more sneakers from StockX. Just kind of one of those personal challenges, you know what I'm saying? I'm going strictly with the GoDap. I waited so long to get these sneakers, it's crazy, and I kind of had something to do with why this is my last purchase from StockX. And they also canceled on one of my orders as well, man. So like I'm all the way done with StockX. I'm done. I'm just done. Smash the like button if you have not smashed the like button already. Subscribe to the channel right now for your boy. Let's get this up to 400 likes for my last sneaker purchase from StockX. Hope you guys enjoyed the visuals over these joints. I know a lot of people ain't crazy over Air Force Ones. Hey, but your boy is, and I had to show you guys my latest sneaker pickup. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. Be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.